there, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can sign up for the Amazon Prime Student. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you will never miss for the upcoming uploads on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, you open up any web browser on your device and then you need to search your Amazon Prime Student. And you need to press enter on the keyboard, and here on the first link you need to click on it and you will be access to this interface of the Amazon Prime Student. Once you are on this interface, then if you sign up for Amazon Prime, then you will get 6-month trial that include 2 days shipping on eligible purchases. In order to sign up, here you need to click on try Prime Student and you will be access to this sign in page of the Amazon Prime Student, where you need to enter your email or phone number and you need to enter your password. If you forgot your password, then simply you need to click on this forgot your password link and you can recover your password from there. Once you have entered your credential here, you can click on sign in and easily sign in into Amazon Prime Student. But if you haven't created any Amazon account, then simply you need to click on create your Amazon account and you can easily create your Amazon account and you can sign in this way by following the simple and easy steps. So if you like this video, then hit the like button and keep considering subscribing our channel.